So the well's down another day. So I thought I'd make a video of some essential things that I keep in the truck. These are like emergency stuff. If you get stuck on a well or whatever, or have been out a long time, and actually this is what's left after being out for 2 weeks, since I'm only coming back for a few days. I really didn't bring much with me, so these are dry goods that I keep in my truck. Just like emergencies, really. Chef Boyardee lasagna, it's always good. Some soups like chili mac. It's just kind of ideas for. I got the corned beef hash. I always have corned beef hash on hand. I eat that a lot, but just ideas for what you can bring out here. If you don't have a microwave, I mean, if you don't have a fridge, really, because I'm set up for both. I keep stuff in the fridge and I keep stuff if I run out. Is it healthy for you? No, it's awful. But I'm going to be changing my diet. There's some chunky sweet potato, whatever. I always keep a good spaghetti sauce on hand, which is Mids, which is my favorite. I always have Mids. And a good trick with the microwave is I found these are not available everywhere. These ready pasta, they're awesome. Get the rotini or the elbows. The other ones suck. I always keep Pop-Tarts. And I always keep Nutri-Grain bars. They work out well. Another thing I always have on hand, let's find one, is a protein bar. Always have protein bars on hand, because you never know. You might be running around and not have time to eat. Yeah, I don't get to eat the best out here. Another thing I always have is oatmeal. It's quick, easy, throw it, water in a bowl, and you're good to go. I thought I'd throw this video together. I'm just kind of wells down still. It's been down since Friday actually, and this is when I left Friday from the storm, and they got running. I think they ran a stage, and I came out, didn't get to pick up a load. The doggone pipes froze. So they told me I'm sitting here at a truck stop, ready to go. So I'm going through everything. I'm trying to rearrange everything because I'm bored out of my mind. I get these Insta Lunch, just Roman noodles. Don't get these. Really, I mean, I keep these. What I found out is you can get the ones that are in like the cardboard, because they're microwavable. Those aren't microwavable and they're a pain in the butt. These are way better. I'm probably end up getting rid of those. For my coffee, I use this hiking, and I know I don't look like a hiker and camper or whatever, but we're into hiking. We do it when we can. There'll be videos more coming in the spring of us hiking and that. But I keep the Medaglia d'Oro Instant Espresso. I love this stuff. This stuff is awesome. I got it from the hiker Shug, the hammocker Shug. He gonna turn us on to that. Why don't we eat the heck out of that? And I always keep a pack of Lipton tea bags in the truck, mainly because I'm out here weeks. If I get sick, you want something like that to eat, obviously, to drink, in case you start feeling sick. Another corned beef hash. Now, I like the Hormel better than the Armor. I didn't even know I had that one, but yeah, like I said, the mid sauce is awesome. Some creamy Alfredo for an alternative to my mids, but most of the time it's mids, and I keep Parmesan cheese always in the fridge. But if you don't have a fridge, it'll do fine. Just make sure you eat it quickly, the pasta, because you don't want it to go bad, because that would be not that great. You don't want to get sick. You can also do rice packets and microwavable rice, and I do lots of tuna. I like to keep stuff that'll get me full with little, like, on the go. That's what the protein bars are for. But I'm sure there's better ways to do all this. This is just what I do, what I've learned over the years to survive out here, because you never know. Wells go down all the time, and you're screwed. But I'm gonna shove all these up here. They get stored in a bag. I'm probably gonna get rid of them. They're just taking up space at this point. But got me another Tagliatore. It's an espresso. I love it. The problem is, I didn't anticipate as my cup got gross, so I haven't been able to make anything like that lately. But what we're gonna do on this, after we get done dealing with my dad's stuff and that, we're gonna work on a healthier way to be out here. But this is just like bare necessity stuff to bring out. Bumblebee snack tuna, these are awesome. You're in a hurry, throw a couple of those on. It'll really help you out. I always have those. But this is just what I've been carrying for the last year. I usually restock. I restock every time I go home. But we're going eat that anymore. I'm definitely going to be reevaluating how I handle that, how I eat, because it's not good. I haven't been eating good. I have all this room in this truck, and with the addition of skillet and that's just some of the. Oh, and they've got these rice-a-roni things. They're not too bad. That's just some things that I keep. That I keep in the truck. So when you get hungry, you got them. Oh, and some Coffee Mate vanilla creamer. The powdered stuff is actually pretty good. Goes with my Tagliatore instant espresso. But yeah, I guess this video kind of sucks, but whatever. Maybe I think I'm gonna do is clean up in here and do a tour of inside my truck. How's that? Yeah, that sounds like a good idea. Petey is so happy to have his blankets back. Oh, Mr. Pete's. You like your little blankets your mama made, huh? You like your blankets? He loves his blankets.